Hello, students. This is Ms. Baker, and I'm going to model for you how to add multi-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. So that standard is 4.NBT.4. We're going to look at how to add numbers using the standard algorithm. So the number that we are going to work with is going to be 549,874, and we're going to add to that, let's do 653,735. All right, so here's our problem. 549,874 plus 653,735. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is start in your ones place. You always want to start to the right. There are strategies where you can start from the front end, but you have to understand the value of each number. So with that being said, let's start with the ones digit. So I'm going to add my ones place together, and 4 plus 5 gives me 9. Okay, it gives me 9. It's going to let me type in my 9. Come on. Gives me 9. I don't have enough to regroup, so when I go to the tens place, I'm only going to look at what's there. So in the tens place, I have 7 plus 3, which is the same as 70 plus 30. So when I add those together, I know I'm going to get 10. So I take my 0 and I regroup my 1. Now, when I get to the ones place, I have 800, 700 plus 100. So when I add all of my hundreds together, I'm going to get 1600. So I'm going to put my 6 here and do what with the 1? That's right, regroup it to the thousands place. So now I'm going to add my thousands together. I have 9, 3, and 1. So I'm going to add the 9 and 1 together to get 10, then plus 3 to get 13. So I'm going to put the 3, and then I'm going to regroup my 1 to my 10,000s place. So in my 10,000s place, I have 4, 5, and 1. So when I add those together, I get 10, but I can't put the whole 10, so I put the 0, and then I regroup my 1. So now I'm in what place? That's correct, the 100,000s place. So I have 600,000, 500,000, and then 100,000 up here. So when I add those together, I get 12. But I can only put the 2 here, so what do I do with the 1? Yes, I can regroup the 1 here. I'm not adding anything to it, and I bring it down. So now I have all my digits that make up the sum of my answer. So in order to figure out where your commas go, start with your ones place. Ones, tens, 100, put your comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, put your comma. Now let's read this number correctly. 1,203,609. Hopefully this helps with understanding how to add multi-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. This is Ms. Baker.